As many people continue to try and maintain their New Year's resolutions to lose weight, we're going one-on-one with Dr. Stephen Osterhout with Vitality Healthcare to see if the keto diet is right for you. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
And really the focus is with the trend, Americans 40% are obese or overweight.
Okay.
And that contributes to heart disease, cancer, diabetes. It's unacceptable. So this really is a safe solution that changes the physiology of the metabolism.
Yes.
So what we do is we start off with, it's an egg and sausage cup. And in that egg and sausage cup, we're getting our proteins, our fats, but we also put our vegetables in there. We hide our vegetables in there.
Perfect.
And what I like about that is if you're doing like a bell pepper that has 2 to 3 times as much vitamin C as orange juice.
Okay, wow.
And oranges. So we get to take the sugar out of the equation right away. And in keto, that's what we want to do. Get the sugar down and have the good healthy fats and the proteins. We got the onion in there. The onion is full of sulfur that boosts your immune system. It supercharges your immune system. And of course, it really is, not only is it on trend, but avocado is super good for your body. It's an omega-9 fatty acid, so good for your brain, so good for your physiology. So that's a really, you could do that on Sunday and it could carry you all through the week.
Yes, good food prep. So the big thing here is that, you know, you're not going to be scared of fats here. It's a pretty integral part of this diet. So
it is. The fat trend to avoid fats, the low-fat diet really wasn't the greatest science back in the day, 20 years ago. And so now we know that sugars cause the inflammation, carbohydrates cause the inflammation, and inflammation is connected to every disease process we know of.
Okay, wow,
so we start with something hearty. If we don't have the time for that, they have keto granola.
Oh, perfect. Okay, really?
There's no granola in the granola, but it's still tasty, and you just throw some almond milk in there, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, so hopefully you don't feel like you're missing out on anything. And everybody probably wants to start their morning with some caffeine, and there's a way that can make it keto for your coffee, right?
It is. It's a keto coffee, a bulletproof coffee, and what you do is you want to start with organic coffee. You really do, because most crops, most of the coffee crops, are one of the heaviest sprayed pesticides on those crops, and it's coffee. Okay. So we start off with the organic coffee. We put just a dab of butter in there because we want to keep that fat theme, because we're teaching your body how to burn fat. We throw some medium chain triglycerides.
And what would that do?
The medium chain triglycerides are derived from coconut, and your brain uses that for fuel. Your body loves it.
All right, perfect.
And we top it off with a little, we just take a scoop of collagen. Now, collagen actually is good for hair, skin, and nails, but also for guys out there, it's great for ligaments, tendons, and bones. And we need that. We need that kind of structure, both of us. So we go ahead, we put that in there, and then we blenderize it.
All right,
and,
interesting.
I'm gonna hit it right here. I'm
we'll
gonna do a little
really
blenderization.
Quickly. And you know, people may be wondering how does this taste, but it's not too bad, right? You don't want to...
is delicious.
Okay, awesome.
It really changes your coffee experience, and it's good for you at the same time. So why not integrate that into your program? Yeah,
awesome. Okay, we're discussing, you know, breakfast here, but we're going to talk lunch and dinner with you in a little bit at 7:45. So stick around.
Yes.
You'll probably want to know more information about that as well. Here's all the information on the keto diet and Dr. Stephen Osterhout, where you can find him, and his contact information. Also get that up on our website too. So thank you for staying with us. Yes.